How can I connect my iPhone to a WPS-enabled wireless network?
Welcome to this video tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to a WPS-enabled wireless network. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process, ensuring a seamless connection. So, let's get started.
What is WPS and why should you use it?
Before we dive into the instructions, let's briefly discuss what WPS is and why you should use it. WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup, and it is a feature available on many routers that allows for easy and secure wireless network connections. By using WPS, you can connect your devices, including your iPhone, to the network without the need to enter a password manually.
Check if your iPhone supports WPS.
The first thing you need to do is to check if your iPhone supports WPS. Not all iPhone models have this capability, so it's important to ensure that your device is compatible. To check if your iPhone supports WPS, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. 3. Look for the WPS option. If you see it, that means your iPhone supports WPS. If not, unfortunately, your device does not have this feature. If your iPhone supports WPS, let's move on to the next section. Otherwise, you'll need to connect to the wireless network manually using the regular Wi-Fi password entry method.
Initiating WPS connection on your iPhone.
Assuming your iPhone supports WPS, here's how you can initiate the WPS connection. 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi router supports WPS and is turned on. 2. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 3. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. 4. Tap the WPS option. This will start the WPS connection process on your iPhone.
Completing the WPS connection.
Now that you've initiated the WPS connection on your iPhone, it's time to complete the process. Follow these steps to successfully connect your iPhone to the WPS-enabled wireless network. 1. On your Wi-Fi router, press the WPS button. This button is usually located on the router itself and may be labeled as WPS or have a similar icon. 2. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, your iPhone will detect the network and automatically establish a connection. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your iPhone to the WPS-enabled wireless network. Now you can enjoy seamless internet access without the need to enter a password. In this video tutorial, we discussed how to connect your iPhone to a WPS-enabled wireless network. Remember, WPS provides a convenient and secure way to connect your devices to the network without manually entering a password. Make sure to check if your iPhone supports WPS, initiate the WPS connection, and complete the process by pressing the WPS button on your router. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.